I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by adding the tools Colab needs. Install MySQL Server and a Python connector, then start the MySQL service so it runs in the notebook. Once done, set a secure root password and create a small test database. This verifies the server is working. Make sure to mount Google Drive if you plan to save dumps or import SQL files, because Colab's VM is ephemeral. These steps get a live MySQL server ready for immediate use in your notebook. Now you connect from Python, load your connector, read credentials from environment variables, and create a connection or SQL Alchemy engine. Once connected, execute schema commands to create tables and indexes, parameterize queries to avoid injections. You can run insert and select from cells, then use pandas. Read SQL query to pull results into data frames for inspection and visualization. Make sure to commit transactions when writing, and to test queries on a small dataset, first to validate logic and performance. To finish, fetch final results, export tables to CSV or SQL dump, and copy those files to Google Drive so they persist. Then gracefully close cursors and connections and stop the MySQL service to avoid stray processes. If something goes wrong, first recheck your credentials, port, and whether the service is running. Make sure Colab's VM firewall or your remote MySQL's network rules permit the connection. If using Cloud SQL, verify authorized networks or use the Cloud SQL proxy for secure access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.